Kia ora, Tawa School whānau. I hope you've had a great week. It's nice having a bit of a shorter week, but hey, we're almost a third of the way through the term, which is pretty scary. Hey, it's been another great week here at Tawa School. On Wednesday, we had the team from Dance Education take some workshops with our tamariki, and these guys are really awesome at helping our tamariki to be confident when it comes to dancing, and we're looking at having them back with us for an extended period of time next year. So we're really looking forward to those kind of opportunities. Yesterday, we had a number of our senior students attending the Tawa Zone Athletics at Newtown Park. And from all the reports that came out, our team not only performed really well, but most importantly, they represented Tawa School with dignity, with mana, with respect. We had one of our parents comment that they were an absolute delight to take. They were supporting one another, encouraging one another, and that is so awesome to see. Our key values of respect and responsibility and kindness were definitely shown. So well done to all you tamariki who represented our school. We are really proud of you. In the latest newsletter that came out yesterday, there was a mention about our board of trustees wanting to get some community voice about the way things have gone this year, about our strategic direction. So we have 4 key strategic aims, which are curriculum, environment, connection, and culture. And with the survey that we've sent out, and the link is in the newsletter, but I will also send it out with this bulletin. It gives you an opportunity to feedback about how you think we are going in these areas. Now, we know that we are far from the finished product and there's work that we need to do in each of these areas, but it'll be really awesome not just to get feedback from our teaching team and the tamariki, but also our wider community. So we'd really appreciate you taking the time to fill that out and what have you. So thanks for checking that out. In yesterday's newsletter, I put a piece about the use of social media by children, and especially messaging apps such as Snapchat, Instagram Messenger, Facebook Messenger, that kind of thing. I don't want to go into a huge amount of detail around it, but the one thing that I do want to encourage all of our parent community, and as a parent myself, this is something that I have to make sure that I regularly do, is actually monitor what your kids are doing online, especially on their phones using these messaging apps. There have been instances that we've heard of where there's been some quite negative and inappropriate, especially for children, content that has been discussed and shared and what have you. So make sure that you're looking out for what your kids are doing online, and in many ways it's our jobs as parents and caregivers to protect them from a lot of the stuff that they could be potentially seeing as well. So there's a link in the newsletter which has got information from NetSafe. Do check that out, and let's work together to keep our tamariki safe. At 12 noon on Sunday, the nominations close for our next round of Board of Trustees elections. So if that's something that you're really keen to do, can you please make sure you get those in by 12 noon? The information has come out to families and whānau. So if you're keen to be part of the governance, strategic direction of our school, we would love to have you on board. Our junior playground construction is nearly there. There's still a few things that need to be done, but it's certainly coming together, and you can check it out from these pictures that you can see. We've had a little bit of interference over the weekend with people climbing over and mucking about with a bit of stuff. So if you're down at school and you notice something going, can you please just maybe shoo people away if you feel comfortable? We just want to make sure that our new equipment is well protected. We're really hoping that probably within maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks, we'll be able to officially open our junior playground. I know it's been much anticipated, and certainly the builders have been barraged with questions from our tamariki. Some of them with a very sharp eye, noticing that a logo was placed upside down, and have got that corrected. So well done, guys. Well, that's all for this week. Heading into week 4. Hope you have a great weekend. Look after yourselves, and we'll catch you all on Monday. Ka kite anō.